Dear cadets, I am Chief Officer NCC, MB Babu of MMHSS New Mahi. All newcomers are welcome to the NCC organization. Is everyone interested to join NCC? Okay, good. An NCC cadet must be know what is NCC, why join NCC, what are the aims of NCC, what are the incentives of NCC. These are the points we are going to discuss. The whole point cannot be described in details in a short time. So I will describe it very briefly. First point, what is NCC? National Cadet Corps. National Cadet Corps is the full form of NCC. NCC came into existence on 16th July 1948. 16th July 1948. NCC is a youth wing of armed forces with its headquarters at New Delhi. It is a tri-services organization comprising the Army, Navy and Air Wing. NCC also a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high schools, higher secondary schools, colleges and universities all over India. Cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. Unity and discipline is the motto of NCC. What is motto of NCC? Unity and discipline is the motto of NCC. There are 17 directorates located the state capital headed by an officer of the rank of Major General from the three services. Depending upon the size of directorate, have up to 14 group headquarters. Each group headquarters headed by an officer of the rank of brigadier or equivalent, known as group commander. Each group headquarters control 5 to 7 units or battalions headed by or commanded by colonel, lieutenant colonel or equivalent. Sub-units function under units. Each sub-units which are commanded by associate NCC officers, that means ANOs. These are the 4 levels of NCC organization. First of all, directorate, then second group, and third unit, and fourth sub-unit. Next point, what are the aims of NCC? The NCC aims at developing character, comradeship, discipline, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, selfless service, ideals of selfless service, and leadership qualities. NCC also provides motivating youth to join the armed forces. Next point, why join NCC? Most of the cadets have joined NCC because of their interest in the military service. And moreover, the cadets see the NCC as an opportunity to learn military weapons and training. And cadets also learn several valuable things such as discipline, courage, honesty, etc. Next point, what are the incentives of NCC cadets or benefits of NCC cadets? The NCC cadets are given various benefits in terms of job opportunities. The scholarships and incentives are announced from time to time by both central and state governments. The vacancy reserved for C certificate holders, NCC C certificate holders, for cadets commissioned as officer in the Indian Army. The preference is given by various state governments to the NCC B and C certificate holders to recruit in police, forest, excise and transport departments. The benefits of NCC is a big chapter. Only a few things have been talked about now. I conclude by saying that everyone can grow and serve as a good cadet. Okay, thank you.